To add music to an Instagram post with multiple photos. Start by creating a new post by selecting the plus symbol on the bottom menu. Then, choose the icon to the left of the camera icon, which has multiple boxes, to select multiple photos. Once you've chosen your photos, select Next. Here, you can change the filter for the images, or select the music icon at the top of the screen to add music to your post. Browse through the available songs and select the one you want to add. You can then adjust the clip duration and the portion of the song by sliding along the track. When you're ready, select the down arrow on the top right. Next, you can add a caption to your post, and then select Share on the top right to post it. This process allows you to easily add music to an Instagram post with multiple photos.